It's here for me. Mabuni akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Mr. And then your first time or subscribing and clicking notification bell on the so MI. Metro send your bell will screen so now with this was happy man. Mr. Ba, this was happy send your bell will screen so now and then asama air trendy. And they say Ghana near branch be okay. And that screen so send your bell subscribing and with me a notification bell. This was happy man. Yanko Yansem so Ghana near branch be send a while who picture and that screen so no. Your friend and let's do your boy. Now, I'm say 2 days ni. Yes, I'm say you better say Ndra ni Ndrechi. Made a lot of stories, bro. Send your Ghana for reacted to news of new parliamentary chamber. A buy iron agency will be see with $200 million no. Ghana for so far I'm yet to meet a Ghanaian who supports our idea no. Meaning I'm say MPP for about some supports our idea no. Bebrena Tiada. I'm here to meet a Ghanaian or support this idea. No? A lot of people are bashing the government on this particular idea. Now, maybe the chair will say, "What on Twitter? Na embra issue ne bar app and a story ne bar app no. Na one particular hashtag a trend pan a hashtag drop that chamber. Now just as idea na mo am just somebody yesika taxpayers money. Ecosis idea no. Parliamentarians say mon drop is idea no. Na a brand here was shares a hashtag yasi drops our idea no and then a parliament house so and woko ekike mu wo ho na tese woko kan wo ho say drop that chamber and no ehunti ama police for akoche no ama parliament security akoche na wo mo handing over ama police for na a brand here no your friend Ernesto Yeboah na me was some voice recording do embra ye de no aircon no ye recording nsem bia na worker me pese me botcho wi na yaba na yabe have more discussion on what is going on currently because and then me no kasa sisia wo kwa Twitter ni din air trend e wo Twitter Facebook nso ni din air trend wo ho pa nti yanko hwe nsem Ghana for air can but before I be kwa hwe nsem Ghana for air can fa eno ho no yanko tie a branch na embra ye de na ekono you
can kick me, beat me, kill me, but you will not stop me from speaking. I will say what has to be heard. I will speak truth to power. Nobody will restrain me from speaking truth to power. I will say what I have to say. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. If there are no men in this country, I will stand up and say it. Drop allies. But if you want to be zombies, carry on. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. My name is Ernesto Yeboah, leader of the Economic Fighters League. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. We are fighting for all of you. Journalists, police, security guards. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. We are fighting for all of you. If you lack the courage to say it, we shall say it. And we shall take the penalties thereof. Drop that chamber. Right. The police officer is deliberately stepping on my shoes and kicking me in the back, right? So it is deliberate. So the chains come around my legs. They are deliberately hurting me. They are simply stopping me from telling the truth. If there are no men and women of courage in this country, we in the Economic Fighters League, and I, as a leader, Economic Fighters League, and that's we shall tell them in the face that drop that chamber. 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 This is what you don't want to hear. I will tell you in the face. This is civil. What the police is doing is not civil.
It's here for into the mutie no Ernesto Yeboah. Now one boy say or a leader of the Economic Fighters League. Leader of the Economic Fighters League. Naturally say what should send the corner assembly there na ye chinako no crack say ye de chains atoto ne nan ene ne nsa ase wo no kra no wo ye konfobia we kokun obi ama esense wo ko gina parliament house was shouted drop that chamber no na ade we ama ende Ghana for bebre na dodo na mubuefu e social media pa and them ne ka say wo social media e for enye easy na me pese me read some of the comments from some media houses are wɔn posti adewei ɛwɔ wɔn social media accounts. But sɛnea mi di nkanka kyerɛ no wokɔ Twitter sisi a mbra mi yɛ video wei wokɔ Twitter wobɛhu sɛ aberanteɛ ni din trende #free Ernesto trende pa etie for enye easy. Be minded say next week, just a week and a day, next week Saturday, one more air demonstration based on this new chamber so I demonstration. Now me read some of the comments. So they say I have nothing to say, but what I know for sure is that God has blessed me with a long and big camp. That is the nipa way I can say one do only she can na de wonim ne say nyankopon ehira na say ne kokromoti sunye na to say indirectly no e kasa kwa na oka na to say 2020 eba na kokromoti ebe ye ejuma eno na isema abranche bi eka obi nso say just for shouting in Ponye, what about the thousands of Ghanaians walking the streets on 13th July next week? I thought our leaders are in the parliament because of our energy and time spent under the sun, just to make sure we have peace. I pity those who don't have a say in their own common room. Ghana pan. That is say the nipa way can say, now we put there. Wako parliament house or wako can say drop that chamber and put na mo achini. And the month tomorrow next week Saturday, 13th July no. Ye ni aye ba na ye sikwen mu pan. Eno de aye be ye no. Afi mo bechi ya mo bechi ye na. Eno so ni asema obi kan. Obi nso say yes. Truth is one. God will punish all our wicked leaders. They are not thinking of the youth. You cried for 16 good years to come into power. You have forgotten of it so soon. Not just say indirectly, no. Nipa we kasa afa President Akufo-Addo ho. Say for 16 years, what try say wo beba abedane mampeni. Afi wa abedane mampeni a we refi very soon. Obi nso say we will show one another in Ghana. We voted them in. We will deal with politicians. May those supporting the building of the new parliament lose their seats coming 2020, especially my party MPs. Honorable Kofi Adda should get out of this issue. Otherwise, we are waiting for him in Avrongo. That is a nipa with the can say parliamentarians of Womonso Esha because parliamentarians the Ebimo Babontin Ebetre say Womo en supported Sadia way. Ebimo so person mo say on bomo de omo Babontin, but obviously Ebimo supported or say Chamens Abonsu there. We in any PSO no they supported this idea. Na the nipa way can say parliamentarians almost supported idea way ni ano. Obo empire say by 2020 no woman ya be lose omo seat. And then asema obi nso say is this the democracy where the citizens has the right of speech? I still can't believe that my own president's pan is also part of this. It is one of my biggest shocking moments in my life. I thought he would never be just like the rest. It breaks my heart, but I have nothing to say. God knows best. Nipa we dey all can say, one no dey know Ojidi say Akufo-Addo there, and anka one yet to say other Ghanaian presidents no, but Akufo-Addo are shocking the pan. Francis Ayuba, and also Abrante Bidin, or say it's only one thing that can teach our leaders sense, which is for them to go and pick the ballot boxes empty on voting day. Apart from that, they will never know the pains we are going through as a country. Obi so adwen chair what the two no. And also any asema will be eka. Now there's a comment here. Wo hwa very different. I mean read it. I see in as much as I support this drop that chamber campaign, I once visited the Parliament House and was told there are rules and regulations you have to follow. Contempt of Parliament. You can't just go there and shout by heart. Why do you think City FM chose 13th? Because they can't stand up and walk about demonstrating there and due procedures you must follow. He goofed big time. The Nipa way can say, or no Nipa way no. Support drop that chamber there no. But no Emma or Quine say we call Parliament House. Akoye de wo ho say drop that chamber. It's here rules and regulations are what Parliament House for. It is a wakoye BBC wo ho there na ya chewa and the wa wasem. We ne asema will be so edit to are very different from the views of others. But any pakuni suni view trewa dream our comment box to mu. Obi a friend Darlington Wisdom so say Have the president forgot his advice for us to be citizens and not spectators? As usual, well-meaning citizens will be intimidated whilst the wrongdoers move around with police escort. I salute your courage, bro. And also, near Sema will be Eka. It's for Chewadrin our comment box ni mu. Chewadrin our comment box ni mu. Medase. Send your assembly Conedia. Chewadrin our comment box ni mu. Now, branch the latest on this story, Biano. Mini edge me the bro. You will listen me the ehun sembe bro. Chewadrin comment box ni mu medase.